It's been my privilege to walk along with you throughout this semester as we've surveyed together the myriad ways that people have lived lives of Christian faithfulness. Thank you for participating in the class. I'm hoping that what it has done for you, at least in part, is to nurture your own faithfulness as a disciple of Jesus Christ, and that in ministry, as you encounter different people who perhaps are faithful disciples of Jesus in ways that look very different than your particular path or your particular Christian faith tradition, and what it sees as Christian faithfulness. I hope that what this course has done is broaden your understanding of the fact that our cultures, our time and place, our very situatedness in the setting, the historical setting that we're in, shapes our understanding of what it means to be a faithful Christian. And that because of that, there's a lot of diversity, and there are many ways that God invites people to know and be known by God, by the Holy Trinity, and that there are many, many ways that people express their life with Christ. So I hope that it helps you, again, personally to nurture your own faithfulness, but also in ministry so that you can nurture that faithfulness in others, even if it looks very different than yours. Blessings on you. Congratulations on completing the semester. And I hope that this course has been a positive experience for you.